If you think that the silver being traded actually exists, you're mistaken. What if I told you that 99% of the silver traded in investors' accounts on screens doesn't exist in the real world? It's 2026, and the global market is experiencing a severe structural deficit in physical supply for the sixth consecutive year. Official data confirms that the deficit for this year alone has reached 46.3 million ounces. Real-world storage is nearing its bottom. Let's look at the real figures behind the scenes. On the COMEX exchange in the US, the volume of paper and digital silver contracts bought and sold in a single trading day is often 100 times the volume of real, physical silver held in real-world storage. This staggering ratio means one thing. Major funds and financial institutions are exerting artificial pressure on the market to drive down prices on screens. The goal is to keep silver cheap so that the giant tech companies that are silently devouring the physical metal can profit. Silver is no longer just an ornamental metal or a second safe haven after gold. Today, silver is the new oil of the artificial intelligence age. The solar energy sector alone currently consumes between 15% and 18% of the total annual global silver production. Giant data centers and 5G networks have seen a 22% jump in demand for silver conductors over the past 24 months. In the electric vehicle sector, a single car consumes between 28 and 50 grams of pure silver, double the amount used by conventional gasoline cars. The result? Industrial demand is growing at a compound annual growth rate of 7.5%, while supplies from mines are virtually non-existent, growing at no more than 0.3%. London warehouses have seen a sharp decline in their free market stock, exceeding 35%. The critical moment is approaching, when major buyers and manufacturers decide to reject paper contracts and demand physical delivery of their silver. Exchanges will face what is known as a delivery default. At that point, the digital game will collapse, and the physical price will explode, reflecting its true scarcity. And now, the question for you: do you keep your investments in digital silver or in physical safes? Share your figures and predictions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay well.